How does someone earn $174,000 a year but end up worth $115 million? Are they secretly genius investors or do they just know the future? Why do their stocks go up right before laws get passed? And why does $3.7 billion get spent every year just to talk to them? Welcome to the banana economy, where the richest monkeys write the rules. The minimum salary for a Banana Council member is $174,000 a year. That sounds like a lot. Like, I can finally buy guacamole without checking my bank account money. The average citizen makes about 3 times less, so yeah, council members are doing fine. But for many Banana Council members, that salary is basically pocket change. For example, Banana Queen Nancy's net worth is estimated at over $115 million. If she earned that only through salary, she'd need to work for over 500 years. And unless she's secretly a vampire, something else is going on. So where does this money come from? Step 1, investing. Public records show she invested tens of millions into real estate, electronics, and Apple. Between 2020 and 2021, her family made an annual return of 69%. That's about 6 to 7 times higher than the average market return. During the banana flu pandemic, while millions struggled, her wealth grew by $16.7 million. When asked if Banana Council members should be banned from trading stocks, she said no. And she's not alone. Council members have a history of selling right before market crashes. After private emergency briefings, some dumped stocks before the public even knew what was coming. Investigations found dozens of council members and staff trading in suspicious ways. Next comes lobbying. In 1 year, $3.7 billion was spent trying to influence the Banana Council. The result is simple. These people don't live like you, so they don't build rules for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe for new videos. And don't forget to share your ideas for the next video's topic in the comments.